Good morning, students. I hope you all are safe. I am your environment teacher. Today we are going to study chapter 10 Walls Tell Stories. Before that, I want to give you some instructions. Listen to the explanation and read the chapter. After reading the chapter, write the exercise given in PDF in your notebook. So let's begin. This chapter gives information about Golconda Fort, architecture of the past, arrangement of water, weapons used, and how can we know about the past. Golconda Fort. This fort was built by Qutub Shahi Sultans and it is located in Hyderabad. It is a strong building with wall around it where sultans, ruling people, soldiers, farmers and other people could stay and be safe from enemies. Golconda Fort is built on height. It has thick walls and huge gates to secure the fort from enemies. Now, this fort was previously made of mud and different rulers lived here. There were gardens and fields also. Now we move on to architecture of the past. Here, architecture means the construction. Here in this picture, you can see there are round shaped structures called bastions. There are big holes in it. These big holes were made in order to increase the viewing area and thus the soldiers peeping through could see the approaching enemy. There were almost 87 bastions in Golconda Fort. Let's move inside the fort. There were big halls and rooms. There were beautiful carvings on the walls as you can see in the picture. The fort also had big doors and windows for proper ventilation. In olden times, electricity was not there. So, air and light were needed during the daytime. So, huge doors and windows were constructed. There were also big tanks, huge tanks were there and fountains were also found. Now the question arises, what was the arrangement of water? How the water was supplied to the different parts of the fort? Let's see. Arrangement of water. There was an efficient water supply arrangement in the fort. As you can see in the picture, the bullocks moved the drum which was attached to the toothed wheel and thus the water was lifted from the well and it was filled in the tank. Clay pipes were used to carry water to different parts of the fort. In those days, emperors and kings played tricks. They tried to make smaller kingdoms as a part of their own kingdom. This was done sometimes by friendship, sometimes by flattery, or even by marriage between the families. And when nothing worked, they also attacked. In those times, there were no bombs or nuclear weapons. They were using different kinds of guns and these guns were made up of bronze. As you can see in the picture of gun is there and it was made up of bronze and it was called cannon. This cannon used by Aurangzeb is displayed at the fort. Aurangzeb could not conquer Golconda Fort and had to wait for 8 months outside. In those times, guns, cannons, swords were used. Soldiers would be on foot and many of them would be on elephants, horses and camel. Do you think fighting good? No, it was not. Do you know why? Because many soldiers died on both the sides. Many children became orphans and did not get good food and education. There was lot of damage to life and property and environment. Everyone was sad except few people. How do we come to know about the past? We can know about the past by studying excavated things like records, ledgers, coins, vessels, etc. It was found from the digging of Golconda Fort and they have been preserved in a museum. All these things were found from the excavation of Golconda Fort. Why do we need museums? To know how people of those times lived, what they used and things they made to preserve and promote our cultural heritage, to help in research and study so we can understand and learn from our past. Many times it happens that people, when they visit historical places, they write their names on the walls, litter everywhere. Now, it is our moral duty to preserve our heritage and stop people from doing such things. I hope you have understood the chapter. You have to read the chapter and write the exercise given in PDF and mail it on given email ID. Below the links are given.